Ano po yung mechanism ng determination para sa pag-define kung ano yung priority? Yung tungkol po sa pag-determine, tama po ba? Yun yung ROCON, road condition? Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
However, Mr. Chair, Secretary, na-observe ko lang po, based kasi sa binigay na figure sa akin, yung road condition ng 109 kilometers in the 2nd District ng Maharlika Highway, yung road condition niya is, yung good is 6.5 kilometers lang, yung fair is 11.4 kilometers, yung poor naman is 13 kilometers, while yung bad is 51.5 kilometers. Yung difference pa, kasi hindi to kompleto sa 109, undetermined pa. So meaning to say, more than 60% ata yung bad or poor. So yung tanong ko po, Secretary, without hindi ito na para bang kine-question ko kung ano yung pamamaraan. Bakit yung ibang may Maharlika Highway na districts, it seems mas mataas yung funding allocation as compared sa Samar, when in fact, yung Samar, very poor or bad yung yung road condition ng Maharlika Highway?
Your Honor, ang pa namin sa Samar is that yung mga worst sections in Samar, I said, pwede bang i-kumpunihin na natin with local funds for now. But in the process, we are now discussing this with the Asian Development Bank for the total rehabilitation of the section of Samar, of the Maharlika Highway. This is about 200 kilometers po yung panayan, yung area na yan. And we are now in the procurement stage. Kasi meron na pong kanito, may facility na that we have tapped from the Asian Development Bank to prepare the project po. So this is for the detailed engineering design na ginagawa po namin ngayon. We are in the process of procuring actually the consulting services for the detailed engineering design. So after that, then siguro we will now discuss with the financing program under a new loan from the Asian Development Bank, and the civil works will follow po.
Yung next question ko na lang po, you mentioned already yung tungkol sa Asian Development Bank funding. So, when will that happen? Kasi if nasa procurement stage pa lang tayo, paggawa ng design, when will that happen? Yung actual na paggawa?
We're expecting po that once the detailed engineering design is completed, ang expected start of civil works po, yung component, is in 2027 po.
Hindi pa masyadong matagal yung 2027, from 2024 pa lang tayo ngayon para sa complete rehabilitation ng Maharlika Highway?
Well, ang kwan po kasi dito is packaged actually in the two projects, Your Honor, no? And it may take a little time actually to do the detailed engineering design for the 200 kilometers. Medyo mahaba po ito. In the meantime, actually yung pong while the process of the foreign assisted program naman ng konti is a little tedious and lengthy. Admittedly, it's a lengthy process. But ang kwan po natin dito is we'll continue actually to address po yung worst sections while we are doing this before we start the civil works in 2027.
Last year, na-mention po ni Secretary na before the President's term ends, i-address yung issue ng Maharlika Highway. So I am just asking if that commitment still remains na ganun po yung gagawin niya. That before the President, kay President term na magtapos, magagawa yung Maharlika Highway. Kasi kanina na-mention ni Secretary na 2027 magsa-start yung civil works. Pero last year, na-mention niyo po na bago matapos yung term ni President, magagawa yung Maharlika Highway in Samar.
Ang pan lang po namin kasi dito, realistically, Your Honor, I think realistically is actually the process for the foreign assisted program will take a little time, actually. And we are happy, actually, to inform the Honorable Congressman that the Asian Development Bank has already agreed, actually, to finance the program. Unfortunately, as I said, it will take some time.
From ngayon until 2027, before mag-start yung civil works, sa na-mention nyo po tungkol sa Asian Development Bank, ano yung gagawin ng departamento as to the fundings of that ng Maharlika Highway? Kasi mag-uumpisa pa lang siya sa 2027 yung civil works ng Asian Development Bank.
I think we will continue with the local program that we are undertaking, Your Honor.
Very frustrating din po talaga yung nangyayari sa Samar dahil may mga road sections na ginagawa na hindi naman sira. Well, yung ibang sira, ginagawa siya. So, last question ko na lang po, ano po ba yung nangyayari dahil may mga areas na may mga it went viral lately na may portion na visibly hindi siya sira pero ginagawa siya. Rinireblocking siya, ganyan. Well, yung visible na sira, hindi naman siya ginawa, which led to the frustration of other people, of the people of Samar po. So, I want to get lang po your opinion or kung may reason po ba tungkol doon.
Your Honor, I think yung manifestation ni Congressman, I think kung nagre-reblocking kami in areas na medyo maganda, this is part of the maintenance program dati natin. Kasi hindi naman natin pabayaan yung mga deteriorated sections in good areas na ganun lang po. Because it will spread out kung hindi namin rinire-block yung mga deteriorated areas. Hindi naman yung siguro that I don't think that unwarranted naman yung very good road na sisirain namin and we will rebuild it. Hindi naman po siguro gano'n. But reblocking is necessary actually in good sections na kailangan po natin kumpunihin para hindi ho mag-spread yung deterioration po, yung gano'n lang po siguro.